Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ice bathtubs that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Susp Ice Bathtub. We highly recommend the Susp Ice Bathtub to anyone looking for an effective and portable way to recover from sports injuries or reduce muscle soreness. We were impressed with the Susp Ice Bathtub's 6-layer insulation technology that can maintain up to 95% of the temperature for up to 4 hours, even in extreme weather conditions. The foldable and portable design makes it easy to use anywhere, whether on your balcony, in your bathroom, or anywhere else. We found the increased capacity and sturdy design of the ice bathtub to be perfect for athletes who want to experience the rejuvenating benefits of cryotherapy. The 6 support posts provided stability and prevented tipping, while the ergonomic design enhanced our ice therapy tub experience. Cleaning and maintaining the ice bathtub was a breeze, thanks to the easy assembly and cleaning process. Simply open the drainage tube on the bottom easy flow drainage system to empty the water tank. We also appreciated the professional after-sales service provided by Susp, which was prompt and helpful. Overall, we think the Susp Ice Bathtub is a great investment for anyone looking to speed up recovery, reduce muscle soreness, decrease inflammation, prevent injuries, and boost immunity. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cold Pot Ice Bathtub for athletes. We highly recommend the Cold Pot Ice Bathtub for athletes due to its multiple layered construction and fuss-free installation process. We recently tried the Cold Pot Ice Bathtub for athletes and were impressed with its performance. The multiple layered construction of the tub, including a PVC inner layer, nylon outer layer, and pearl foam middle layer, ensures that it is robust and waterproof, while also being tear-resistant. The lightweight design and portability make it easy to use and store, and the tub is recommended for individuals up to 6 feet 7 inches, 2.1 meters, in height. The easy flow drainage system makes maintenance and cleaning a breeze, and the tub can be easily drained and rinsed, with water replaced every 4 weeks or as preferred. The recommended temperature range of 3 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius may not be cold enough for some users, but we found that it provided an effective cold water immersion experience. Overall, we believe that the Cold Pot Ice Bathtub for athletes is a great investment for anyone looking to incorporate cold water immersion into their daily wellness routine. With its health-boosting benefits, including rapid recovery, decreased muscle soreness, reduced injury, and increased immunity, this ice bathtub for athletes is a form of cryotherapy that is both effective and easy to use. At number 3, we have the XUMAND Ice Bathtub. If you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast looking for a portable ice bathtub, the XUMAND Ice Bathtub is worth considering. We found the XUMAND Ice Bathtub to be a convenient and effective way to relieve muscle soreness and speed up recovery times after intense workouts or competitions. The 5-layer insulation allows the tub to retain up to 85% of its temperature for up to 3 hours, making it perfect for outdoor use in extreme weather conditions ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius for up to 3 years. The 6 sturdy support pillars provide additional stability and prevent tipping, even for individuals with larger body sizes. The installation process takes just a few minutes, and the ergonomic design of the tub enhances your ice-cold therapy bath experience. However, we did experience some issues with the top ring popping and the cushion tearing. Overall, the XUMAND Ice Bathtub is a solid choice for anyone looking for a portable ice bathtub to aid in their recovery and improve their physical performance. At number 2, we have the NAICID Ice Bathtub for athletes. If you're looking for a portable ice bathtub for your recovery needs, the NAICID Ice Bathtub for athletes is a great option to consider. We recently purchased this ice bathtub and have been impressed with its performance. The 3-layered insulation system keeps the water at a consistent temperature, allowing for an effective recovery session. The large size of the tub is perfect for fully submerging oneself and receiving all the benefits of cold water therapy. Assembly was quick and easy, taking less than 5 minutes to set up. The included drain plug makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. We appreciate the included protective cover, which helps to extend the life of the tub. While the hand pump may take some effort to inflate the tub, it's a small price to pay for the convenience of a portable ice bath. The tub may seem flimsy at first, but it's surprisingly durable and effective. However, we did experience a missing elastic tube from the package, which was a minor inconvenience. Overall, we highly recommend the NAICID Ice Bathtub for athletes for anyone looking for a portable and effective cold water therapy solution. And finally at number 1, we have the IceBox Ice Bathtub Outdoor with Lid. If you're looking for a reliable ice bathtub for recovery and cold plunge, the IceBox is a great option. We recently had the opportunity to try out the IceBox Ice Bathtub, and we were impressed with its quality and design. The tub is made with polyvinyl chloride and measures 80 centimeters in diameter and 70 centimeters in height, providing ample space for comfortable sitting with crossed legs. With a capacity suitable for individuals up to 6 feet 7 inches tall, the tub offers an enhanced relaxation experience. The IceBox effectively reduces inflammation and delays muscle pain onset, providing an optimal way to accelerate your recovery process. The icy water is refreshing and revitalizing, and it helps soothe muscles and joints. The sensation is invigorating, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and ready to tackle your next workout. Overall, we highly recommend the IceBox Ice Bathtub for anyone looking for a reliable and effective way to improve their recovery speed and enhance their performance. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.